I started flying helicopters in 1978 when I was running a construction-related business with plant hire and equipment rental, and we started a civil engineering division. And our sites, I wanted to get to sites quicker. So I bought my first little R22 at a price that normal people like me could afford at the time. And we eventually owned 9 of them. And every time I employed an engineer, I'd get him trained up as a pilot, and eventually we had 9 helicopters with 8 licensed engineers flying to and from the sites, because it was a lot safer to drive a helicopter than drive a car. Having flown for as long as I have, it's such a pleasure and a privilege being able to bring a helicopter and land at home. I can't explain the pleasure of being able to fly a turbine helicopter to your home. My relationship with Bell started when it was still Astra Helicopters, then became NAC, which was the Bell dealer then. So I've dealt with NAC-Bell for 40 years. The 505 it was a replacement for our Jet Ranger, which I sold a couple of years ago in error. I should never have sold her, and we're now in the charter business as well. So I thought we were missing out on the 5-seater market, and it was a natural progression to take in the 505. What I enjoy about the 505 is the glass cockpit. We have a GX, which is also a glass cockpit, so I'm familiar with the glass cockpit. It's lovely to fly with. And also the drivetrain, the rotor system and the tail rotor and the tail rotor drive and main gearbox is a Long Ranger L4 fitment on the 505, and we have a Long Ranger, and I've done many hours in her, and it's reassuring to have such a strong drivetrain. One of the beautiful features of being involved with Bell is every time you buy a new machine, you get the opportunity to go to the training center in Dallas, Fort Worth, which I've done only on 2 occasions, but done advanced flying there on the 407s and the 505s, and enjoyed them thoroughly and look forward to going again. I've been very impressed with the power in the 505, and I must say I'm enjoying it more and more as I do more and more hours. The Bell team I've been involved with for 40 years. Not always the same people, but a lot of them have been there for a long time. We're all big mates. We've been spoiled by turbine power, and we're at 5,000 feet up here in Johannesburg, which is a challenge on power limitations. Turbine power takes care of that problem straight away, and one respects power a lot more.